Selling like hotcakes. Unveiling the secrets of popular phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the popular phrase, sell like hotcakes. This expression is a gem in the English language, commonly used to describe items that are selling extremely quickly due to high demand. Stick around as we explore its origin, usage, and how you can incorporate it into your everyday English conversations. The phrase, sell like hotcakes, refers to products or services that are being sold very quickly and in large quantities, indicating they are highly sought after by consumers. Imagine a product flying off the shelves because almost everyone wants to get their hands on it. That's exactly the scenario this expression paints. It's often used in marketing and sales to highlight the popularity and fast-selling nature of an item. The origin of sell like hotcakes dates back to the 19th century in the United States. Hotcakes, also known as pancakes, were a popular commodity at events and fairs, selling out quickly due to their demand. The expression captures this phenomenon, illustrating how something as desirable as hotcakes can sell out swiftly. Over time, it has been adopted into everyday language to describe any product or service that sells out quickly due to high popularity. Incorporating sell like hotcakes into your English conversations can add a colorful and vivid expression to describe popularity and demand. Here are a few examples. The latest smartphone model is selling like hotcakes. It's almost impossible to find one in stores now. Her debut novel sold like hotcakes, with all copies gone within the first week of release. Tickets for the concert are selling like hotcakes. We should hurry if we want to go. When using the phrase, sell like hotcakes, it's important to apply it to situations involving rapid sales or high demand. Avoid using it in contexts where items are selling slowly or there's little interest. Also, remember that it's an idiomatic expression, so its use might be more informal and suited to conversational English rather than formal writing or academic papers. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, sell like hotcakes. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning, origin, and how you can use it to spice up your English conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with discovering expressions that add flavor and color to our speech. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.